Welcome back, traders. In today's video we're going to be going over USDJPY. We're going to pick up from where we left off. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification and drop us a like. If you've already done that and you come to this channel, thank you very much for your support. I definitely appreciate you, and I hope that the content that I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to be of great benefit to you. And with those things covered, we're going to get straight into it. Now, we're looking at USDJPY, and in itself, not a lot has happened since the last time we made a video on this particular asset. The moves that we're waiting for, we're still waiting for those moves, right? And just to go into a little bit of detail about that, is we can clearly see that price has just left a low volume node area of the volume profile, right? So that's this area right here. Right now price is moving away in that direction. Entries could have been looked at from this location, right? But however, based on what we are seeing in this area right here, I believe price doing what it's currently doing right now, which is consolidating in an upward trajectory, or for lack of a better word, we could say in an ascending channel. I have a feeling that price is going to break below 145.973, make his way down to 144.011, and maybe come somewhere into this region over here, which is 141.766, somewhere in this region, right? So it could be this whole thing, it just comes somewhere in between that and the number that I've just mentioned, that will be on the top side of that particular rectangle box I've just drawn. So these are the moves that we're waiting for in USDJPY. Nothing complicated, just a simple pull to the downside. Once it gets there, we will then know exactly what we need to do and how we plan on doing it. So this video once again is really short, straight to the point, no frills, exactly what the doctor ordered, right? So with that said, I was just about to end the video, but then I thought to myself, what else could I possibly share with you guys today to add more value to this content that I'm producing right now? And let's see where price has left from. Okay, let's get rid of this level for now. We're on a day. This trend that I've just put in, or this market structure that I've just put in, it just basically just came to me as I was about to leave this video. So this area right here, there's nothing going on, okay? And based on what I'm seeing right here, even though price is pushing up right now in today's candle, because we're on a daily chart right now, a part of me believes that price is going to come down to around this level over here, right? And if it does, it fulfills the idea of grabbing buys between that zone I've just drawn, and the zone in question is 145.982 and 144.011. That is if the structure that I have just put in holds, right? If it does produce that, and we find price in this area, and it gives us a clear signal that it wants to push to the upside, then the possibility of price entering this zone up here, which is the area that we plan on taking ourselves, has just gone up, whilst maintaining the probability of a really good short from this location down to about this location, if not lower, to say this level right here. So I'm going to put some labels on this, so at least we can track what we said about that area as well. And we're going to keep an eye on USDJPY to see when, if and when it's going to decide to make a move to either the downside or the upside. And those price point zones are starting from the top side, 156.005, and on the bottom side, which is this zone right here, we're looking at 152.001. So with that said, my awesome people from all around the world, I want to thank you for coming over to watch another episode of Swing Trading Technical Analysis on USDJPY, and I look forward to seeing you all on the next one.